Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix GCash app transaction limit exceeded problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. I'm going to let you know the steps, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now here we go. First thing first, if you have exceeded your GCash transaction limit, you can wait for it to reset. The daily limit resets the next day, so you can next day do the transactions again. You can also increase your limits. So if you're 18 or older and have a Philippine SIM card, you can increase your limits by simply fully verifying your GCash account, linking a bank account, creating a GSave or GFunds account, and you can increase your limits how it originally was. You can increase it from that amount. You can also try this troubleshooting step, which is simply restart the app. If it's not working out, then restart your app. You can also check your internet connection. That could also cause the errors in between. Check it. If it's not good, then switch to another one. Make sure you have enough funds in a GCash wallet as well. Otherwise, wait a few hours if your biller is experiencing system downtime or maintenance. Then you're good to go. But if you're still having the trouble, then you can ask for help from GCash customer service by contacting them right away. That's it for this video. Hope this video helped you all. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.